Alright.
Alright, thanks, man.
Yo. Bring him up.
Yeah. People, nobody who is down. When I get no one. The interest of us in my youth. Like, I know what it. Oh, my kinja pino. Hogfish.
Leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. You know, today feel a little bit underneath the weather, but you don't know, say video have to move on. So you don't know, say today we're by somewhere in Florida. We do some fishing and you don't know a thing go. So Leverage Nation, you can see me there, so yeah man. There, look upon the atmosphere. Clear and nice and warm. People have play beach, but who we have right here, sir? Who we have right here, sir?
Leverage Nation, we're pre now. Don't know, we're there. Live and direct. It's another fishing video. Lucky and stay tuned. You see me?
Yeah, so we are walking around here, so I guess let's say we are go by the what? Jetty? Yeah, we are go by the jetty, so we are walking around here, so show nice bush up here. You know, say from when you say bush, I know see I leverage that for we car. We love the bush. Yeah man. Like them type of vibe, you know, look. Nice and beautiful. We're gonna walk around here, so let's see where I go on. So yeah man, you know, always remember to like out the video and share out the video, you see me? Yeah, so all about surely we are the thing. Real to the thing, you see me? Yeah man. Now look now hype, you know? Yeah man. See it, so we are walking the trail, look on the trail. Kinda look leany, yeah. So we go walk that trail and go around. How far we are go? Okay, over there, sir. So we are gonna go over there, so. So watch and check in and see where I go on, you know? Yeah. We do the walking, man. Right now, you see the coconut tree right now. I tell them, say, can I make some kite out of coconut tree? Who know that style? Yeah, coconut leaf them and get some nice little sewing thread them and make the small kite them, man. Yeah man. You can use them the one and make it too, but nothing man. One of them there you do it, man. I'll show you how to make kite, but yeah, we are walk around here, so oh, let's see where I go on. Beautiful man, look on the scenery. Beautiful. Yeah. Nice little walk this man. Y'all see the ocean. Oh that. Leverage Nation, oh this damn.
Yeah, it's hot. We have to bring local cool water and KFC cover.
Yeah, so check in and see where I go on, you know? That's how I try to get a nice little view. Look at it. View nice, people them down there, so I swim. Yeah. So we are go over there, so we over there, so I see where I go. Yeah man, so Leverage Nation. See it there? Just check in and see where I go. That's it. Beautiful. Right now, like this, like that view here. View here pretty, but nice, wonderful sand, you know. Walk around and say, you know. Alright, so smell a little sitting, man. Alright, it's a black. How are they, man?
You ready now like I'm playing water, you see?
Wow. So be careful, you know, people. You don't know a thing going on that a part of leverage safety, you know. Yeah, good still. For anything, you can always hold on the rail, you know. And walk over. Yeah, Leverage Nation. So when I reach up right here, so when I go too far, well, why? You see, nearly all dropped rotted. Stone are shaky. Yeah, so we think yo, how far found this? Huh? Alright, somebody phone Leverage Nation. I hear something, I'm serious on my phone, you know.
As a man if you use him phone, don't show him it. I'm just asking if you use him phone. They can't show him. Let him better, ask him. Let me see that. I don't ask him what kind. Let me see that. Pussy penguin. Yeah, where him lad? want to go and see me. Put it in the pocket of axle. No, because I can't afford it.
Yeah, so leverage nation out there. You don't know. Them are choke the line right there. Say. We are work with shrimp today, you know. Show them where I go on.
Dead shrimp, dead shrimp.
Dead shrimp, you know. So kind of windy out here, so just a work with what I go on, you know.
Try that area first.
Yeah man, we're out here man, I don't know anything though. Yeah man, so let's check in and see where I go over there man. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, thanks, man.
Yo.
Bring him up.
Yeah.
Yo, leverage nation, watch it.
Yeah,
Hold him up there. You may have, you know?
It's been heavy.
How this here?
Parafish. Look like a.
Hold him up there. Hold him up now. Hold him up now. Let me get him good.
Are you fuck you with it? Let's see the fish, brother.
Yeah, man, the first one out here.
First one, you see me? No, that's pretty easy, man. It's a fair one. And a parafish.
Nice catch. Yeah man, so the man, I man interrupt me now because I man call for your phone now. I am. So yeah man, see the first one there. And she'll get interrupted, we see when Clay get to pull it up perfectly, but we catch when yeah? Bring him up. So yeah man, I first one that leverage nation. You know the thing called leverage. Yeah, leverage nation. Damn catch one, I catch one, all this.
No.
And two behind that?
No, man, a spot.
Oh, a spot. Oh. How big? Grunt? No, not grunt.
Grunt,
I see him up there. I see him type of.
A different fish, this one.
No. Yeah man, it'll go and go out there, so man. You see me, although a little catch, but we get a nice parrot and yeah, I see why it's to catch out here. Great spot already, you know. Clear there. Don't move. Yeah, so they're moving.
Nothing I'm happy with. I'm happy with.
Yeah man, yo, know how to leverage, you're out here. Bam bam badam bam bam badam. We out here badam bam bam badam. Another one. Come back now. Yeah, tell him what I go on Eclips.
Yeah, there are one more grunt. Well, first grunt. You see me? But small still, I not keep that one there. Oh, me I swear. But then I go toss him back out, put on new bait, and see what more we can get. And I feel like there's some bigger fish out there. Just like you want to make it a while ago. So, I eat that, you see me? Lucky, stay tuned.
You see it, our big things are going on.
What?
I know I'm not see you get no throw it, you just drop it.
What's up, guys? You guys find a phone?
Yeah, Robert.
Oh my God! Thank you so much,
All right.
man. You found it right on here?
Yeah, right there.
That's crazy.
Where did you left it?
Because I didn't come out here. Somebody must have found it and found it on the beach and then brought it over here.
Because they were in that thing and it must have fell out of that somewhere on the beach and then they
Yo.
here with it. Thanks guys.
Oh, you're with it.
Thank you so much.
All right. Where you get?
It's a good bait, man. You want to catch a big freaking tarpon? Put a hook right in the back of this thing. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's good bait right there, buddy.
I'm going to make that fight.
All right. Lip. Oh shit! Ah.
Leverage. You see me and we have. Oh, you mash up yourself.
I'm mash up my foot. On the tail, the man say.
And I bought this up.
Let me see where you hook it.
See my move still?
Alright. Show him out, huh?
You put him on? Get rid of. Okay, yeah, man, make it free. As free as possible. Yo.
Oh, before the end, I'm a little toasted. I don't know, nothing serious, but it does give me a nice pinch. But yeah.
Richard.
Oh God. No man. Out of say go on, man. Out of say go on.
Another one.
Another one. DJ Khalid.
Brother. Hold on. Just because. Hold the camera now, man. Just because I don't see timestamp, you see me? Because them 3 fish they are like 5 minutes apart. Literally. Like in the span of 5 minutes, me get them 3 fish there.
The sun will block you.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the span of 5 minutes, me catch them 3 fish there, you see me? Right at the same spot me a cast. Look at that. Nice little grunt. Nice span of 3 minutes. So I can go on that. I really want to catch something big. But I don't keep none of them, my brother. So.
I mean, I don't keep none of them.
If you want to, you can keep them. I'm telling you from now, brother. Make sure so not go in lazy, brother. So let me get the fish them down. See, I don't go catch something to with that bait. Really do it. Boy. Yo. Jabba, what is the rules of cooking up one?
Leverage, you know a leverage. Just go and wait and see where I go on, you know? Yeah, man, you know I leverage, man. Straight positive things, isn't it? Leverage. We not deal with negative things. Straight positive, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, catch more make on the safe and then do, you know? Where you say, sir? Yeah, everything I can see.
Not one now bite, but I'm missing.
Yeah man, right now we just go and wait and see if we catch nothing more, you know? But it's a good day man. Great adventure right now. Right now we're somewhere in a other part in a Dana Beach by the Jetty, you know? So a good thing man. If you don't want to make a fish out of it man, a good spot man, you see me? You know leverage man, you see me? Yeah, just a go and build man. So you know if you don't like when you see that go on right now, just leave a like. And you can always comment. Remember to sign out to subscribe, you know, but we're just there. Beautiful scenery. Look at this. Okay, there. Over there, so there. We are doing the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. So just check in and see where I go on, you know. That's a part of the leverage. Yeah.
You don't know, jump in and back. That's what you have to aim for. If you do jump in and back, brother, cast the way out there, so you can hold some of that one cast. Or you let me fear it and use mine. You can do better than that one, and I blue more you get it. Eh? And I blue you forget it. Then again, the way how you cast it, not even look for your bait. The bait could fly off halfway in the air and we don't know. I think I'll load of that. Think I'll load and go on the road. Alright. What time to play catch? Yo, me tell you something. Look at that come. Yeah, but nice guy, man. Yo, moving me up, you know, get far, yo.
How that?
Far, yo, get big, brother. And I really like.
No. Yo, you see that thing that look poisonous, brother?
Poisonous, nothing.
Yo, man, I'm here, brother.
Get the players and pull it out, you know what I mean?
Oh.
Leverage. Get the players and pull it out. Set up a camera and show them how it's done. Your time to shine now, then.
Yes, sir. No, they can't pass.
Someone never there.
But I think it look like if it... Move that, man. If it look like if it juke here, it pies, you know.
I'm people there.
I'm not people. Nobody who is there. I don't get no more. I'm interested in the my youth. Look at that now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, say something, man. You're awfully quiet.
What do you call that one, a rockfish?
I think so. I think I remember a long time in the sun of them. I'm just thinking, you. Yeah. I'm get to it before he did that.
Yes, so leverage nation, watch it.
What you know, boy? I don't know if he's poisonous.
And some fish.
I don't know if he's poisonous, no, boy. And he's not touching him. Come here, man. You can't know say that then. Open your mouth now.
Yes, sir.
I'm not yeah, shut your mouth. Because here, let me put claim for him saying poisonous. Ooh. And me don't know better.
Oh!
No, that's not scary.
Get up on the road to already. You have my fin from the inside now, brother? Or the one that up in there already?
Can't grab brother, put him out now.
What's up best one?
Oh, where's man style? It's not going to be the same way, better than this.
I mean,
I mean, no water.
It look like a stone.
Favor the stone here.
Favor a stone.
I remember about the name. Let me just say.
Yes, man.
What's this here? I will have to make you check out every single one of them. Alright, that's another one I'm going to see.
Yes, I keep him and cook him, man.
Oh. Chop. Murder. What, boy?
One more for the bro.
Yo, take the key with that one, that one ugly, you know. I think I want to be at the first half, man.
I'm so light, man. Hold on. Alright, that's it then.
Ah, hold on. Cameraman, let me need it. Hold on, I'm going to leave it.
Yeah, that's it. God, you pierce your lips, boy.
You want my bucket now? I feel you open up, dog.
Yeah.
You open up.
Yeah.
Hold on, that's wrong. Yo, pass on the clear. Oh! Pass to get down, clean up.
Hold it, I think. Now the camera. reach up there, so.
Yo, me I pushing a dog, but right now I keep taking it, so I might get the car.
Yes, sir.
The car, hold on, I get the car. Yeah, that I want to grow with my people. No, you know, leverage. Give me a like for that one there, don't know. That's going good so far, you see me? That's going very nice, but yeah, man, I see what more I can get. Good still, so yeah. I'm going to beat up again, cast out, and see what more I can get. Brother, be John, brother.
Yeah, how you give everything? Give me that.
You jump with that people for John. What you do? What you do? Eh?
You want to be out here, brother?
Take this man. Talk to man in the dog. Oh, my brother. Give me that look. But your insolence. Your insolence. The insolence cost you.
Nice piece of it, man.
Where is the fish? Yeah, always call fish here now. I got better stuff down the right now.
You know what I'm going back on ring. Put out the back on hold.
Wow, I want fish now.
Alright.
Making jump enough. Hogfish! Yo!
Yo, go take him off.
Fish, brother.
Take him off, take him off.
I'm gonna get the hogfish, brother. Now I can't jump enough, brother.
You see it?
What? Okay.
Let's see what I got.
Why not look for a fight there in the mouth front? Hold him in. Hold it.
Don't make it turn. Don't make it flip. Don't make it flip.
I want the players to leverage. Yeah, boy, firm.
Yeah, I'll hold him out like how y'all hold him out there, sir. Up on teeth.
You see me?
The 3 teeth.
You know, like I snap at them. Only head different, you know?
Yeah. This is a very nice catching on gill. Let me splash. So,
Well, you proved me wrong.
this is a very nice catch, dog.
Get to the other one.
I'm going to report him. Watch it. Watch it. This is a very nice catch, you.
Yo, my pick out that bucket, you know?
Show the people them. Very nice.
Hold him up.
Look for them to the size of my head. Very nice catch, dog. Yeah.
Man, flick out, you know.
Look out, nothing.
Put it up over here, sir.
Yo, you want to flick out? I know, say next fish flick out and he nearly tapping that water. Right out the mouth, brother.
Flick?
You want flick, yes? But you know, flick out of this one here.
Put the bucket over here, really, for this one.
Why me not do that? If he flick out up there, by the time I reach up, them flick off the next side and gone.
Great catch this one. Watch it, man.
But wait, you know, we have to measure him for another dog. Well,
how much am I for this?
it must be 16 inch. 16? Yeah, we have to measure him for the kind of keep him. Yeah,
16?
Yeah. Down here, I'm willing to put it.
Yeah, man. You see it leveragation right now. We catch a good one, size one, but we don't know. It's supposed to be 16. Hogfish. Go on, Blackie, because I'm going to kick out. Measure him up. Ready?
How can I cheat measuring tape this here bend so? You believe I bend out? Big still no boy. Big still no. I'm supposed to. Can't keep. Give me no boy.
Oi.
Ain't shot, you know? Ain't shot, you know?
How much you make?
14, brother.
You sure it's a 16?
Yeah, we'll check it. Yeah, brother. 14, dog.
Let's drop him up. How much you weigh about? Nice.
But yeah, leverage nation, I hate that Dominic get a nice catch, so you see me? Put him back here now. You know where the leverage go. Yo. The camera. Me I go fit to swim. Me I walk barefoot. To the brother.
Oh, what I say? So yeah, leverage nation, I know say we there, we don't know, we do it and we catch some fish on the seat. You don't know say the leverage street.
Yeah man, we catch any amount of catch hogfish. We catch grunt and grunt and grunt and more grunt and rockfish. Parrotfish. So we see a couple species today. Different type of grunt too.
I'm on the rock. So you know leverage nation until oh damn, you know tell them nothing. Eh? Tell them something before you drink the holy water.
I'm not drinking it. I'm not just drinking it. Yeah.
Come now. Before
I tell them say them if you like, share and subscribe. Because it's hard for walk on, you see what I say?
Yeah man.
We have to do a lot to get to know these fishes. We have to do a lot to get the fishes.
I hope they kind of win, but hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah man. We are going in now. Hopefully like that one there. Yo, know the leverage nation. Alright, we out. Until next time.